Hello, my name is Tiara Estrada, and this is my video presentation on plants used by indigenous people in Nebraska. The first plant that I chose is Indian corn, also known as maize. It is a colorful type of corn. It used to grow wild in North America and is one of the oldest varieties of corn. It was and is still an important crop to Native Americans in Nebraska, specifically the Winnebago tribe. This crop was eaten for almost every meal because it was so abundant, and it could easily be frozen or stored and preserved for the cold winter months. The husks of the corn were used to make masks, furniture, baskets, and dolls for the children. It had many uses. The corn cobs were used to make darts, they were burned for fuel, and they could also be sculpted for ceremonial regalia. Today, Indian corn is still used and harvested. The Winnebago tribe every year makes it into corn soup and distributes it to the community as part of tradition. In this slide, you can see that baskets and dolls were very popular to make for the women and children. The second plant that I chose is the eastern red cedar. It is a type of cedar tree in Nebraska. It is a very adaptable tree and has one of the highest survival rates of any other conifer. It has deep roots and small leaves that make it very drought resistant, but it is still susceptible to tree diseases. It can grow up to 26 feet tall and has a lifespan of about 100 to 300 years. Native Americans, such as the Omaha tribe of Nebraska, use the cedar tree for ceremonial purposes and have for hundreds of years. Cedar leaves are bundled into a bunch and used during sweat lodge ceremonies or prayer ceremonies. They are thrown on red-hot rocks and give off an aroma to attract good spirits and eliminate negative energy.